स्टेटमेंट दिली तुम्हाला, हे पी कंडिशनल क्यू आहे. ओके, तर याचं काय करायचं तुम्हाला, कॉन्व्हर्स, कॉन्ट्रापॉझिटिव्ह आणि इनव्हर्स करायचं आहे. ओके, तर काय करायचं बघा, हे पी कंडिशनल क्यू आहे, तर याचं कॉन्व्हर्स क्यू नेगेशन क्यू कंडिशनल नेगेशन पी. एक मिनिट, नाही फक्त काय लिहे, क्यू कंडिशनल पी, सॉरी कॉन्व्हर्स, क्यू कंडिशनल पी. त्याच्यानंतर कॉन्ट्रापॉझिटिव्ह नेगेशन क्यू कंडिशनल नेगेशन पी. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर इनव्हर्स येईल नेगेशन पी कंडिशनल नेगेशन क्यू. आता तिन्हीमध्ये डिफरन्स काय आहे बघा, आपल्याला दिलं होतं पी कंडिशनल क्यू, याच्या अपोजिट केलं इकडचं इकडं, क्यू कंडिशनल पी केलं, याला म्हणलं कॉन्व्हर्स. सेकंड वन कॉन्ट्रापॉझिटिव्ह, अप्लाय नेगेशन ऑन बोथ साइड, नेगेशन क्यू कंडिशनल नेगेशन पी, अँड लास्ट opposite of this term, negation p here and negation q here. Finish. 1 2 3. Write the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the following statement. Okay, statement is given if a function is differentiable, then it is continuous. Statement given that. Okay, now we want to find converse, inverse and contrapositive of these statement. Now first of all, write down the given statement in symbolic form. Okay, let solution here, let p from, in the given statement there are two statements. Okay, number one is a function is differentiable and second is it is continuous. Okay, and if then is the connective of the statements to connect these two statements. Okay, now write down here, a function is differentiable. Okay, first statement. Second statement is q from, it is continuous. Okay, a function is continuous. Okay, now what is the symbolic form of this statement? This is p conditional q. Okay, symbolic form is the symbolic form. Okay, this is the only symbolic form of given statement. Now we want to find converse. Okay, converse of p conditional q is, what is converse of p conditional q? Yes, that is q conditional p. See here, q conditional p is the converse. Okay, q conditional p. Okay, therefore statement can be written as, what is q? Q is nothing but, what is q? A function is continuous. Okay, write down, a function is continuous. Okay, conditional. Therefore, write down here if a function is continuous, then conditional, then what is P? P is a function is, what is P? P is a function is differentiable. Okay, therefore then it is differentiable. Okay, if a function is differentiable, then it is continuous. Okay, this is a given question, given statement. Here are two statements. One is a function is differentiable and second one is it is a continuous. या ठिकाणी दोन स्टेटमेंट आहेत. एक it is a differentiable, a function is differentiable. दुसरा आहे it is a continuous, a function is continuous. दोन स्टेटमेंट आहेत. दोन स्टेटमेंटला आपण सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म मध्ये let p from a function is differentiable, दुसरे लिहिलं a function is continuous. Okay, then symbolic form of this statement here is connective, given that if and then. Therefore, symbolic form is p conditional q. Okay, then converse of p conditional q. We know that p conditional q and the converse of p conditional q is q conditional p. Okay, so we write here p conditional q is q conditional p. What is this? Converse of p conditional q is q conditional p. Therefore, this is the only symbolic form. Now write down this in statement form. Okay, now statement, what will be statement here? Here symbol is given conditional. Conditional means if and then. Okay, if then write down here if a, what is q? Q is a function continuous. Function is continuous. See here, a function is continuous. Therefore, if a function is continuous, then conditional, then second p. What is p? P is a function is differentiable. A function is differential. Okay, is it clear? समजते? हां, ठीक आहे. आता पुढचं आपला दुसरं काय बनवायचं बघा, कॉन्ट्रा पॉझिटिव्ह. ओके, या ठिकाणी लिहूत आपण कॉन्ट्रा पॉझिटिव्ह. कॉन्ट्रा पॉझिटिव्ह ऑफ पी कंडिशनल क्यू. एक लक्षात राहू द्या, आपला हे जे दिसते ना, या पी कंडिशनल क्यूचाच फक्त कॉन्व्हर्स, कॉन्ट्रा पॉझिटिव्ह किंवा इनव्हर्स काढायचा आहे. हे लक्षात राहू द्या. ठीक आहे, तुम्हाला जर परीक्षेमध्ये विचारलं पी कंडिशनल क्यू दिलंय आणि याचं तुम्हाला विचारलं इनव्हर्स काढा, हे दोन काढायची गरज नाहीये, फक्त या ठिकाणी हे काढायचं आहे. ओके, then contra positive of p conditional q is, what is contra positive? Is, see here, contra positive is negation q conditional negation p. Then symbolic form here is conditional. Therefore, if, okay, negation q. What is q? Q is a function is continuous. Okay, then write down here a function is not. Okay, because of negation. Okay, because of negation we will take here not. Is not continuous, then it is differentiable. Here negation. Okay, it is not differentiable. It is not differentiable. Finish. Okay, कॉन्ट्रा पॉझिटिव्ह झाला. इनवर्स ऑफ p conditional q is, what is inverse of p conditional q? Inverse is this term, negation p conditional negation q. Negation p conditional negation q. Okay, therefore symbolic statement form is if a negation p. What is p? P is a function is differentiable. Okay, if a function is not, because of here negation, is not differentiable, if a function is not differentiable, then what is negation q? First of all, see what is q. Q is a function is continuous. Okay, the negation of this term is a function is not, it is not continuous. This question can be asked in exam 2 marks. Only one question asking, 3 of them only one. Write down the contrapositive of given statement, or write down the converse of the given statement, or write down the inverse of the given statement. Okay, range, then match will be cancelled. Match will be cancelled. Okay, question is same here, only statement are changed. Okay, what is question? Question is write down the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the following statement. Okay, then what is question? And the given question has 2 statement. Okay, one is it rains and second is the match will cancel. Okay, 2 statement. Then first of all write down the given statement in symbolic form. आपला काय करायचं, सुरुवातीला जे दिलेली स्टेटमेंट आहे ते आपल्या अगोदर सिम्बॉलिक फॉर्म मध्ये लिहून घ्यायचे. ओके, देन let p from first statement. First statement is it rains. Only 2 words, it rains. It rains. And q from match will be cancelled. Match will be cancelled. Okay, this is the symbolic form. That is, symbolic form is P conditional Q. Okay, this is the given question. Now we want to find converse, inverse and contrapositive. Okay, then converse of P conditional Q is Q conditional P. Okay, Q conditional P is the converse of P conditional Q. Yes, then what is statement here? Q. What is Q? Q is match will be cancelled if match will be cancelled, then what is this? P. What is P? It rains. It rains. Okay, this is the first converse. Now contrapositive. Contrapositive of P conditional Q. See here is Q conditional P. Then what will here? Negation Q conditional negation P. Okay, then statement is if see here negation Q. What is Q? Q is match will be cancelled. Match will be cancelled if match will not be cancelled. Okay, What we'll write here? Will given, then will not, negation will not be cancelled, then it is not. It is not. Because not, here given is negation. Okay, it rains. Then it is not rain. Okay, finish. Then last, inverse of P conditional Q. Yes, is opposite of this, negation P conditional negation Q. Okay, then if this is negation Q, okay, if it not rain, if it is not rains, then negation Q. What is negation Q? Negation Q is here. Match will be cancelled, then negation. Match will not be cancelled. Match will not be cancelled. Okay. वन पॉइंट थ्री. ओके, एक्सरसाइज 1.3 त्याच्यामधला चौथा क्वेश्चन. राइट द कन्वर्स, इनवर्स अँड कॉन्ट्रापोजिटिव्ह ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. इफ x लेस देन y, then x square less than y square, x comma y belongs to R. Okay, symbolic form. Here also two statements. One is x less than y, second one is x square less than y square. Okay, and xy belongs to R. R is a real number. Okay, then let P from x less than 1. This is a first statement of given question. Okay, second, Q from x square less than y square. Okay, then symbolic form of given statement is P conditional Q, because given statement contains, okay, if then, okay, therefore I have written here P conditional Q. Then converse of P conditional Q is, what is converse of P conditional Q? Q conditional P. Q conditional P. Then this can be written as, see here, if x square, Q is x square less than y square, then x is less than y, then x less than y, and here x comma y belongs to R. Here is no change. Okay, x y belongs to R. R is a real number. Okay. Second one, contrapositive. Contrapositive of P conditional Q is, here is Q conditional P, then here is negation Q conditional negation P. Okay, then if x square, what is given here? X square less than y square. Okay, then write down here x square is greater than y square, then here also x greater than y. Okay, opposite of above statement. Above statement is Q conditional P, and here is negation Q conditional negation P. Negation means what? Opposite of the given statement. Okay, जे स्टेटमेंट दिलेले आहे त्या स्टेटमेंटच्या काय असणार आहे? ऑपोजिट असणार आहे. देन एक्स स्क्वेअर ग्रेटर दॅन वाय स्क्वेअर, देन एक्स ग्रेटर दॅन वाय. ओके, अँड लास्ट वन, inverse of P conditional Q is negation P conditional negation Q, and statement is if negation P. Okay, negation P means this statement, or P here, C here, this x less than, but written here negation, therefore x greater than y, then negation Q. Q is x square, y square, here less than, here is greater than. Second one, a family becomes literate if the woman in it is, yes, question is given. Now meaning of question, what is the meaning of question is, this says if the woman is literate in the home family, then family becomes literate. Then this question can also be written as in the form of the our statement. Okay, this statement can be written as, see here, this statement. Okay, if the woman is literate, then family becomes literate. Can write this question as like, yes, हा हे जे स्टेटमेंट दिले आहे, या स्टेटमेंटला आपण असं लिहू शकतो का? येस, दोन्हीचाही मीनिंग तोच आहे, दोन्हीचाही मीनिंग काय आहे, तोच आहे. ओके, लिहू शकतो आपण. येस, अ फॅमिली बिकम्स लिटरेट, जे घर आहे ते सुशिक्षित कधी होते, इफ द वुमेन इन इट इज लिटरेट. जर घरातील स्त्री जर सुशिक्षित असेल तर काय होणार आहे, ती फॅमिली सुशिक्षित होणार. तर या ठिकाणी आपण तेच लिहू, इफ द वुमन इज लिटरेट, जर स्त्री सुशिक्षित असेल तर देन फॅमिली बिकम्स लिटरेट. येस, okay, then now symbolic form of this statement. Yes, let P from the woman is literate. Okay, second one is Q from family becomes literate. Okay, therefore symbolic form is P conditional Q. Okay, then converse of P conditional Q is, what is converse of P conditional Q? That is Q conditional P. Okay, then write down here, what is Q? If Q is a family becomes literate, write down here, a family becomes literate, then woman is literate, woman in it is literate. Okay, converse. Then contrapositive of P conditional Q is negation Q conditional negation P. Okay, if negation Q, okay, if a family does not become literate, a family does not become literate, then woman in it is not literate. Okay, and last, inverse of P conditional Q is negation P conditional negation Q. Okay, then statement is if the woman is not literate, then negation Q, then a family does not become, then the family in it is not literate. Okay.